Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to allocate more RAM to Minecraft using T-Launcher. If Minecraft is lagging, or you're using mods, shaders, or large worlds, allocating more RAM may help improve performance. Let's get started. Open T-Launcher. Click the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Find the memory allocation setting. Here you can choose how much RAM Minecraft can use. Increase the RAM based on your PC's memory. If your computer has 8 GB of RAM, allocating 3 or 4 GB is usually enough. If your computer has 16 GB of RAM, you can usually allocate between 4 and 8 GB. Avoid allocating all of your RAM. Windows and other programs also need memory to run properly. After choosing the amount, click Save. Now restart T-Launcher. Then launch Minecraft. If the game runs better, you've successfully increased the allocated RAM. Keep in mind, adding more RAM won't always increase your FPS. If Minecraft is still running slowly, lowering your graphics settings or installing performance mods like Sodium may also help. If you're still getting low FPS in Minecraft, check out my guide on how to increase FPS, or my guide on how to install Sodium. They may help improve your game's performance even more. I hope this guide helped you and fixed your problem. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.